This one's off our first album. Into some darkness just to see what he was missing, but without the right direction, he never made it home. Well, he was once a postman for the tiny town of Porter, but he dreamt of bigger things, and he knew that if he tried, that he could be the captain, tall ship in the harbor, sail out to the ocean, leaving everything behind. High winds circling around, tearing everybody down. High winds circling around, tearing everybody down. High winds circling around, tearing everybody down. High wind circling round, 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 round. When laid upon a rock that was down by the ocean and looked out at the water, he began to cry. I say he never learned to swim, so the sea would surely kill him and never be the sailor that he always dreamt he'd be. High winds circling around, tearing everybody down. High winds circling around, tearing everybody down. High winds circling around, tearing everybody down. High winds circling around, round, round, round. I'm going nowhere. I'm going nowhere. Nowhere, now, now, now. I'm going nowhere. I'm going nowhere. Well, once there was a man living out in the country, but he dreamt of bigger things, and he knew that if he tried, that he could be the captain of a tall ship in the harbor and sail out to the ocean, leaving everything behind. High winds circling around, tearing everybody down. High winds circling around, tearing everybody down. High winds circling around, tearing everybody down. High winds circling around, round, round, round. I'm going nowhere. I'm going nowhere. I'm going nowhere. I'm going nowhere now. written by this guy over here. It was Brian. My name is Chris, and we're Billy Billy. We're very happy to be here.